Welcome viewers. Today in this video, we will see how to create a core mining account, increase core mining speed, and learn about gift cards, Satoshi cards, and hash cards. A core coin is a type of cryptocurrency. It will release on 12th December 2022, free with no investment and just 1 to 2 minutes a day to earn core coins, which will become real gold like Bitcoin in the future. It is very similar to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is now worth more than gold. At the beginning of December 2022, the price of a coin will be a minimum of $1,000. Elon Musk says its price will be $4,100 at the beginning, and within 1 to 2 years, it will be $4,100 up to $60,000. If you think once, you can change your life by making a good profit in the future by using the time of 4 months properly. Before the release, they allow mining through this app. Let's move on to the main video. Of course, if you join using the link given by us, then you will get support from our help team. The link is in the video description. Go to this link in the mobile browser. A page like this will appear. Here, you will have to click on the register and start mining button. Here, you have to enter your email first. Click on the checkbox. You can read the privacy policy if you wish, then press the next button. Your email will automatically receive a verification code. Copy the code and paste it here and press the next button. Now, the app will ask you to enter a password. Enter the same password in both boxes and press the register button. Your registration is successful. It will show 2 options to download the app. From here, you have to install the app with any options. We installed the app from Google Play. Now, the app is ready. The app view looks like this. Now, click on Me and then press on Click Login. A login page will appear. Now, log in by email in the email box and password in the password box. Click on Core Mining Journey on this page. Now, you will be asked for face verification. Click on Start Verification. The app will request some access to the mobile, allowing them. Face verification has to be done accordingly after hearing the voice.
Position your face in the frame. Lower your head down slowly. Turn your head slowly to the left. Turn your head slowly to the left. Raise your head slowly. Raise your head slowly. Position your face in the frame.
When the face is verified, click on the Start Mining option on the mining page. This message will appear when mining starts. Now, mining has begun. Click on Close. First of all, click on Receive Benefits. The first 7 days of mining will give you Bitcoins as benefits. Now, click on Close. Here, you will see your My Hash. If My Hash increases, then the mining speed increases. Now, increase your My Hash by following their Twitter page and clicking on Adding a Twitter account. The link is in the video description. Confirm with your Twitter user ID with @ in this box. Now, click on Close. Press on Receive Hash will add 50,000 hashes. Click on Close. You need to use a gift card to raise more hashes. Now click on the gift card option. A user can use a gift card only once. Clicking on the Use Gift Card option will ask for a code. There is a link in the video description. Go to this link in the mobile browser. A page like this will appear. Here, you will find the gift card code. You copy the code and paste it into this box or type and press confirm, then we'll add 30,000 hash in My Hash. Click on Close. Let's see how to get a Satoshi card. For this, you have to go to the white paper option. This page will appear. Scroll down to the very bottom of the page. Below will be a cryptocurrency address. Due to repeated pressing cryptocurrency address, the app will give Satoshi card as a surprise. Now press close and go back. Now let's talk about hash cards. For this, you have to click on the hash card option. Here we can see there are many types of cards. A Satoshi card is also a hash card besides beetle card, ant card, spider card, rock card and formation card. You can use a hash card in two ways. One is to initiate and the other to join. Click on the join option to join in use. Now a code is required. Many users created hash card codes by initiating and posting the code in our group. You can copy it from there. Otherwise, you can ask us for the code. While joining, you must note which card code you are using. Confirm with the code in the box. Click on close. Here we can see that 4 out of 5 people have joined and everyone joined with the right card. The Satoshi card gives a total of 120,000 hashes. To initiate a card, you have to click on the initiate option. This option will show we will select 5 people and click on the initiate. Hash cards are initiated now. Click on close. Now press the copy option to copy the code. Click on close and share it in different groups. It is better to use this format while sharing. If 5 users joined, then click on execute exchange option and confirm. Besides, you need to receive core coins daily by pressing the receive core option. A block is created every 10 minutes. You have to receive it before reaching 150 blocks, otherwise mining will stop. See you again in the next videos. Bye bye.